Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to grow carrots at home with incredibly high yields. With just a little time and a few simple materials, you can easily harvest big, beautiful, and clean carrots right at home. With just a few recycled plastic baskets, I can grow carrots right at home without spending any extra money. Grow carrots with me. I'm sure you'll be amazed by your results. Your like and subscribe make this little garden bloom. Thank you. To grow strong seedlings, I first need to choose high-quality seeds. I always select mature and firm seeds for germination because they have a higher sprouting rate and help the young plants grow stronger from the start. After sowing the seeds, I lightly watered the surface to keep the soil properly moist, helping the seeds germinate quickly and the seedlings grow healthier. I took a 1.5-liter water bottle, drilled holes in it, and attached a multi-purpose tissue to create a water-wicking irrigation system. This allows the water to slowly seep into the soil, keeping the plant consistently moist with Your one like keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. To help the plant grow better after planting, I mixed worm castings into the soil. Worm castings make the soil looser, richer in nutrients, and better at retaining moisture, allowing the plant to root quickly and grow strong from the start. To prevent the soil from falling through, I use pieces of cardboard to cover the four corners of the container before filling it with soil. This helps keep the soil in place and creates a stable environment for the roots to grow strong and healthy. I used a plastic sheet and cut holes in it for planting. This method helps keep the soil moist, prevents the soil from spilling out during watering, and also supports the plants to stay upright and grow more steadily. Now that the seedlings are growing very well, I transplanted them into a plastic pot. Moving the plants into a pot gives them more space, more soil, and more nutrients to continue growing strong and healthy. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. After planting, I filled the bottle with water to keep the soil moist and help the plant root more quickly. Now that the plant has rooted, I added granular fertilizer to the base to help it grow faster and stay healthy. I continued adding water to the bottle to keep the soil moist, helping the plant grow steadily and stay healthy. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. At this stage, the plant is rooting beautifully, but to make sure it doesn't lack nutrients, I added worm castings to the soil. Worm castings help enrich the soil, improve its texture, and support stronger, healthier plant growth. After adding fertilizer to the base, I continued filling the bottle with water to keep the soil moist, helping the plant absorb nutrients better and grow stronger. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. It's amazing. With this growing and caring method, I was able to harvest lots of big, beautiful, and vibrant carrots. If you find this video helpful, try growing your plants using my method. I'm sure you'll be amazed by the results you get. Every comment, every subscribe is a small seed of hope. Thank you.